Hello, good afternoon. It's 12 o'clock and 9 minutes, and you are joining in at LBallet, and you are looking at the advanced class. My dancers today are Sarah, Merel, and Isis, and we are doing this class for the third time. Tomorrow for the fourth time, and on Monday we always start with new class material. Okay, we're starting with the left leg today, 2 hands at the bar, battement tendu, and close, and tendu, and close, and preparing for the push-off from one leg. Take it with your extension and close. The same right leg, the same to the front, to the front, to the back, to the back. Then we take our first leg à la seconde, cambre to the side, and be careful, take care, the fingertips are pulling me in the letter C, bringing me back, fingertips are closing the leg, turning and stretching. Okay, elbows down, back forward, please pull. Left leg to the side and close, to the side, close, demi-plié, to the side, going extension, close, and right side, close. Yeah, fine. Plié and out, and take it with you. To the front, and 1 and 2. Inside legs, and yeah, that was cute, Merel. And up, and the weight over the ball of the supporting leg, and 1, and push yourself away, and derrière, use your 3/4 foot, plié and out, and the bottom of your leg, and lift your leg, your back, lift your back, I see wrinkles, and 1 and 2, and front side, yes, better, Merel, and left leg, 1, arm fingertips, going in the letter C, also your neck, and wow, look, and out, going 1, and go, really a C, also your neck, Sarah, yes, there, and turn, and 1, 2, and going up, yes, and 1, 2, tailbone to the front, tailbone to the mirror, and your crown to the floor, and go up. Hands are taking your relevé. Oh, try to go straight up in your feet. Ribs in, open sides. And plié. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Merel. Going down with straight grounds. That's better. Immediately I get a reaction in your throat. So that's nice. Look, I see with both of you that your ankles are going forward and back and forward and back. So you get from me the order this night at home, this evening, closing your eyes, first parallel, going up, not your legs together, a little out, so you have no support from your ankles, closing your eyes and going up, without going to the right, to the left with your ankles. Try to get this. It's your inside feeling you have to develop to avoid this movement. Yeah? And when you can do that, you do the same in first position. But you have to really exercise this. Yes, that's right, that's what you have to do. You feel you go over your fourth toe. Yeah, really doing this. It is 2 minutes work, but it helps. So it has to get in your brain. It should be in your brains before you can do it. We have the grand pliés. Second, grand plié, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Reversed arm, deepest point arm in third and 3 to the side, going on with your arm in the letter C. Opening, you go to the center. In the center, it's not crossing over with the downwards arm. He's going downwards, and the next serre is also taking, is going with your letter C. Otherwise, you have a diagonal. Through first, to first, same, only the pliés. Fourth, only the pliés. In fifth, third port de bras, forward, backwards, turning. Okay. Starting in first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Opening, good, Isis. And breathing, my dears. And opening, tendu. And grand plié. And control your lumbar part of your spine. Good, Merel. Yes. Relevé. Going fingertips, taking you to the side. Yes. Up. And now also going. And plié, go. And 1 and 2. Going 1 and 3, turn you on, and think about this drama, Merel. 1, opening, not turning, not twisting, and 1 and 2 and 3, going 4. Susu. Arm is insert, détourné, and 1. That's correct now, Merel. Relevé, going 1, not shifting the breast. Go with your neck, Sarah. Go on. Yes, and to the center. 2, 3, 4, and yes, follow your heart.